Good morning, students. Welcome to online classes. Subject Political Science. Okay. Chapter 4. Yesterday we will discuss and continue about political concept, particularly equality. Equality and main important characters of equality. Okay. Next, law and introduction of the justice. Okay, now today we are going to continuation chapter 4 political concepts. Types of equality. Political concept chapter 4. Topic is types of equality. Types of equality. Before going to class today, we will discuss the equal types. Okay, what it is equality? Aristotle and some important of Marshall Garbage discuss one of the mainly equal type of system. So Aristotle is some of the greatest unequal type of system. Unequality is olden days much there. The unequality to one of the changes of equal type of system. And Aristotle and Gaben is mainly encouraged about to equal type of system. Okay, the democratic principle, law, liberty, and equality, justice, political concept or political theory. So these are main important types of under the democracy system. Types of equality. Equality is also different type of there. Okay, it is yesterday we discussed characteristics of equality, definition of equality. Okay, equal distribution in society and like gender, religions. Okay, now today we will discuss about types of equality. Number one, national equality. National equality. Okay, number two, social equality. National equality and social equality. Next, number three, political equality. Political equality. And number four, economical equality. Economical equality. And number five, international equality. International equality. Okay, here next is civil equality also. Civil equality also. Okay, these are main important types of equality. Types of equality, first one, number one, national equality. The national equality it is not only about one type of people, it is total nation wise, total country level. The national equality is mainly depend on the in every caste or every religion. Every caste and every religion. Okay, every caste, every religion mainly mention of the national equality. Nation means in the country level. Okay, this is about mainly under the whole country. Under the whole country level of the equality, men or women. Example, caste, religions, gender, sex or other categories. Under the total, it is Another depend on the country level, national wise or country level. So this is the mainly the people of the country. The people of country, it is mainly depend on the every society, every person under the categories of reservation type of system also, and total whole of the nation. The total whole of the nation will depend on the equality. It is called will depend on the equality is called national equality. The national equality is also mainly successful of the equality. Successful of the equality, and it is mainly effect of the political concept. Okay, the political concept. These are mainly successful. What is the main successful of the political theories and political concept? Okay, meaning and definition of the equality and characteristics of equality. Next, types of equality. Here different type of system there. National equality. Okay, national equality is also one of the under the state. The state level, every category of the person, one of the religion, one of the caste, gender, or it is minority or majority of the people. We are under the meaning and it is totally depend on the whole of the nation or country level, whole of the nation or country level. So this is the mainly national equality. Okay, number two, social equality. Number two, what is that? Social equality. Society mainly in different type of caste or gender or religions, and some particularly one of the group of members. Okay, group of members and gender and religious is totally depend on social equality. The social equality, all are equal law, all are the equal before the law, and justice also all are equal type of justice. Okay, the social equality under the society. The society is total whole of the in different countries. Okay, different countries, different type of social groups there. The social groups also one of the main important and it is totally different type of caste and religions and religions. Okay, this is total depend on the social equality. The social equality is totally under the society. The society characters. Society characters. Society characters. Okay, the society characters depend on the social equality. Okay, next third one, political equality. Political equality. Okay, political wise, the political parties wise, the politically here people see different type of group of there. The political is all equal. Political viewers, the political parties mainly different political parties ideological. The political parties ideological and political parties thinkers. Political parties thinkers is totally different. What is equal for under the political concept under the Constitution of India, the politically it is also political equality under the Constitution of India. The political is also mainly mentioned of the under the characters. So it is called political equality. Political type of leaders and political viewers also. Okay. Next, economical equality. Economical equality is also one of the main important term of the types of equality. Economically, the people are different. Economically, people are different. That is politically wise, economical wise. Okay. So economically, every citizen of country, every citizen economically will develop, will improve. Okay. The work also under the different type of workers are there in our India. The workers are different. For example, here agriculture sector or primary or agriculture sector is more in our India. Okay, so the agriculture sector is economically is less some categories of the persons, and some categories of persons is more less or more under the depend on the economical background. Economical background. So the economical background also depend on the economical equality. Economically, the person is very poor or very rich or middle class or middle type of person, middle type of income. So economical equality is also one of the changes of politically under the economically the peoples are different, but is all are economically is equal is maintained in sense equally maintains. So economical characters also one of the this is mainly income and expenditure categories. Income and expenditure. Income and expenditure of the people depend on economical equality. Economical equality. Income wise, the group of people is some categories needs for every people. Okay, income wise, some category, some persons more needs, some persons less needs. So needs is main. Like example, daily wise items, food items. Okay. Economically, the person is very poor or very rich may depend on the economical equality. Okay, next international number 5, international equality. International equality, that is called mainly, for example, UNO, United Nations Organization. UNO, every country total one level. Okay, the one level, different countries, different type of follow the equal type of system, following the system, different countries and different type of group of countries. So internationally, the people of the country, particularly India and other countries, it is equal to the human beings, like in every human beings, every person mainly compulsory needs is compulsory. The needs like food and shelter, okay, cloth, food, shelter and cloth. It needs compulsory every citizen, every person. So the needs, some countries is more, some countries is less. The needs of the items. Some countries is very rich income of the countries. Some countries is poorest of the, or some countries is middle income of the countries. Different group of countries are there. So income wise also different group of the countries. So international equality, it is the UNO also mainly help of the poorest countries. International equality, the mainly it is developed countries. The countries mainly developed. Okay, the developed of the countries and undeveloped countries. Here two types of group of countries there. Developed already, undeveloped. Okay, developing also there. So internationally, the every person, internationally every citizen, every person equal under the UNO rules and regulations. UNO Charter, United Nations Organization Charter, equal for every citizen, equal for every person. So this is called under the international equality, International Court of Justice. For example, International Court of Justice, the International Court mainly the justice, equal law. Law is also equality. Every citizen, every country, every nation or every state. So this is that is mainly international equality of system. Next, civil equality. Okay, here civil equality is also the civil equality, or is another name is called political. Civil or citizen. Okay, civil or citizen type of system. Civil equality is also under the every type of every citizen or every man or every childhood, every person, equality under the human beings. This is main depend on the civil equality, human beings. Humanism. Humanism is mainly maintains on the civil equality. The person, mainly human, every human mainly depend on the civil equality. Every human. Okay. So this is mainly depend on the humanism type of characters. Humanism type of characters, like example, reasons and religions, caste, sex, honest, depend on qualification type of groups. The qualifications. The qualification also mainly depend on the civil equality. Qualification wise, the qualification wise, the group wise and the group of list wise, the person is different, but is equality under the civil type of system. So these are the mainly some important types of equality. Okay, remember national equality, social equality, political equality, economical equality, international equality, next to civil equality. So these are many important types of equality. Equality and liberty, these are continue common words. Liberty and equality. Okay. The every person is mainly depend on the every person mainly compulsory, mandatory, equality and liberty. Okay. Liberal characters and equal system under the whole nation, whole country. Okay, state to state. The state to state is also mainly different of the equality. State to state. Under the state-wise constitution rules. The state-wise constitution rule also different from every state in all our country level, all our nation. All our nation, state is different. But is total whole of the only multi-type of complex system, multi-complex system, whole multiple complex system. So these are mainly types of the equality. Okay. Next to some how to changes of the equality, characters of equalities. What is the main characters? The characters of the equality here. Religions, all are equal religions. Religions wise is different, but is commonly all are same equality type of system. And next to gender wise, caste wise is different. Every caste, one caste depend on the other caste. Okay, the caste wise also different level there. That is caste is also is all are equal same. Economically equality. Economical wise also depend on the on one of the separate group. Economically the people is not developed. So mainly development. How to develop development mainly there is the more work and more hours are working. More hours are working. Like Industrial Act also, Agriculture Act also many suggestions. Like example, International Court of Justice. The International Court of Justice court controlling by the whole nation and all over the world. All over the world, every nation or every country under the every state. International Court of Justice and United Nations Organization also under the Chamber, Union Council of Chambers. The Union Council of Chambers also mainly the Union Council of Chambers also equal type of system, equality. It is main important of the every democratic country. Liberty, equality is continue main important of words. These are words main important words. Equality and liberty. So every citizen compulsory mainly equal and liberty is total. These are two main important characters saying. Many political leaders also will explain equal type of system. Okay, next. Next, introduction of the justice. Introduction of the justice. Introduction of the justice. Justice means rule of law. Okay, the court. Okay, apex court of India. Which is what is the apex court of India? Supreme Court. Supreme Court only last given means say final judgment. The final judgment declare of the judgment. Supreme Court. Okay. So justice. What is the introduction? Today introduction of the justice only. So the justice is every citizen of country or state. Every citizen of the country equality after justice is also mainly including of the and main important of the every society. So we will follow the equality and justice. Justice is also mandatory every citizen, total all of the nation, not only one nation. It is total depend on the whole, all the every country. So every citizen, the citizen mainly affect the problems, characteristic problems, are next to the effect of the some struggles. The struggles also mainly we will thus discuss of the justice level. So the justice also after the independence, the justice mainly judicial system or justice and judicial system mainly after the independence we will came to in the force of the republic. So the justice is also compulsory. Every person, every need of the person will maintain justice. Okay. Next to the meaning of justice, essential characteristics of justice, and the court. How to we will mention of the court. Okay, the court and justice and the meaning. The justice is actually which word? Okay. Next, important characters of justice we will discuss it over next class, students. Okay. Tomorrow we will discuss and continue about justice and equality after justice and some important of principles of justice and definition of the justice. Here we will discuss in tomorrow classes. Continue. Okay, students. Thank you.